In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up packages and gift certificates in Acuity scheduling. We'll be diving into this process step by step, making it easy for you to manage these tasks with confidence. First, head over to Acuity Scheduling's website. Once you're on the site, look for the login button, usually placed in the top right corner. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Next to continue. For a quicker login, you have the option to log in with your Google account, which can save you from constantly typing passwords. After selecting your Google account, you'll be directed to the Acuity dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub where you can manage different aspects of your scheduling services. On the dashboard, you'll find an option labeled Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions. Clicking on this will allow you to manage these offerings in your account. If you want to create a new appointment package, simply click on New Appointment Package. Here, you will need to give your package a title which helps in identifying it easily later on, or for your clients when they are looking to purchase it. Pricing your package is the next step. Consider your current offerings and choose a price that reflects the value you're providing. Once your price is set, categorize your package. A clear category helps in organizing packages, especially as you expand your offerings. You also have the option to upload a related file, which could be helpful if you have additional information or promotional material you want to share with your clients. Adding a well thought out description can also add value, as it helps potential buyers understand what the package includes and its benefits. The next key component is setting the expiration days for your package. Think about how long you want these packages to be valid. This could depend on the nature of your services and how frequently you expect clients to use them. Additionally, you need to set redeemable minutes, which specifies how much time buyers can book using the package. Once you're satisfied with your package's details, go ahead and click Add Package to finalize and make it available to clients. In addition to packages, you can set up gift certificates using similar steps. Navigate to New Gift Certificate and follow through with the same options for title, price, category, and description, ensuring consistency in how you offer and manage these certificates. Remember, both the packages and gift certificate features are part of the upgraded account, so make sure your plan includes these options. So with this process, you can now smoothly create and optimize packages and gift certificates for your clients, providing flexibility and added value to your scheduling offerings. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.